This week, the world witnessed a convergence of headlines about unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, commonly known as UFOs, and alleged alien mummies. On one hand, NASA released its long-awaited report on UAP sightings, aiming to bring scientific rigor to the study of these unexplained phenomena. On the other hand, Mexican lawmakers were presented with what was claimed to be two extraterrestrial corpses by a well-known figure in the UFO community. In this video, we will delve into both stories and explore the importance of separating fact from fiction when it comes to investigating potential signs of extraterrestrial life. The release of NASA's first-ever UAP report generated significant interest worldwide. While it did not provide conclusive evidence for an extraterrestrial origin behind these sightings, it emphasized that further investigation is necessary due to their potential implications for national security and aviation safety. In response, David Spergel, chair of NASA's UAP study team, stressed that if there are indeed any remains with possible extraterrestrial origins available for examination, they should be made accessible for scientific scrutiny. Spergel compared this situation to how NASA handles lunar rock samples obtained during space missions. They make them available to scientists globally for analysis. He recommended that if Mexico possesses something anomalous or unusual like these supposed alien bodies suggestively displayed during testimony before lawmakers, then samples should be shared with the international scientific community. Dan Evans from NASA's Science Mission Directorate echoed Spergel's sentiments regarding data-driven inquiry rather than sensationalism or pseudoscience surrounding such claims involving non-human life forms on Earth. Jamie Maussan, the individual responsible for presenting the alleged alien mummies in Mexico, has a history of hoaxing non-human remains. In 2015, he organized an event showcasing a photograph purportedly showing the mummified remains of a small humanoid extraterrestrial. However, subsequent investigations revealed that the image actually depicted historic remains belonging to an indigenous American child. These recent alien mummies are no exception to Maussan's penchant for sensationalism and pseudoscience. An analysis shared on social media suggests that their physiology resembles parts assembled from various mammals like llamas. Previous instances have shown that some other supposed alien corpses presented by Maussan were also composed of cobbled-together mummified children's remains. Mexican scientists are releasing new video showing X-rays of the alleged mummified alien remains. They say they conducted 3 studies that all prove the bodies were not assembled and belong to a single skeleton. The presence of hoaxes and misrepresentations within UFO research poses significant challenges for rigorous scientific exploration into potential signs of extraterrestrial life. It is crucial to maintain skepticism and scrutinize claims before accepting them as evidence. NASA's UAP report serves as a prime example of how scientists are approaching this subject with methodical investigation instead of falling into conspiracy theories or unsubstantiated claims. The study team emphasizes data-driven research rather than relying on conjecture or sensationalism. In contrast, individuals like Maussan exploit public interest in UFOs to perpetuate their own narratives without providing credible evidence or allowing independent scrutiny. Such actions only hinder genuine scientific progress towards understanding unknown aerial phenomena or possible encounters with intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. Despite debunking attempts over time, fascination surrounding UFOs and potential alien life forms persists globally due to our innate curiosity about what lies beyond our planet's boundaries. To genuinely advance our understanding in this field, it is crucial to rely on reputable scientific institutions like NASA who follow strict protocols for gathering and analyzing data gathered during UAP sightings. Scientists continue searching for answers through cutting-edge technologies such as advanced telescopes, space missions, and even the study of extremophiles on Earth. These efforts may increase our chances of finding evidence for extraterrestrial life. Neil deGrasse Tyson, for a fascinating interview in which the legendary scientist discusses alien life forms and reacts to the alien corpse revealed in Mexico today.
Parliament and said they're alien corpses. So I guess my question for you, Neil, is do you believe that there are loads of aliens out there? Do you believe that governments perhaps know more than we do? And should we be fearful about this?
Yeah, so first of all, those are not images of alien corpses in Mexico. Those are presented as actual alien mummified aliens from like 1,000 years ago. So here's what you do. When we went to the moon, we brought moon rocks back, and NASA allowed scientists of the world to analyze those rocks. It shared samples with everyone rather than give it to only one lab. So if those are actual mummified aliens, found in Mexico or wherever they were. I overheard the press conference. They said they carbon-14 dated it. It has 30% overlap DNA with humans. If those are aliens, that would be amazing. But in science, you need verification from independent sources. So what they should do, as we know from mummies, there's still a soft tissue in the mummies. If he carbon-14 dated that, I don't know if he did it on the soft tissue or on the bones, but my point is, you share the data with other laboratories. And when you have agreement among what is measured, then you can talk about it as a discovery. But the press loves chasing singular stories by one laboratory that says no one else has this, but we do. You all just run to that and report it like it's the truth. So, but science is not established by single measurements or observations.